A state of emergency has once again swept across southern Spain as Storm Claudia battered the province of Huelva from Friday night into Saturday, November 15, 2025. Relentless heavy rain, strong winds, and overflowing streams have prompted the Andalusian authorities to activate Situación Operativa 1, the first level of emergency response, as the number of incidents continues to rise. Since the storm reached the Andalusian coast, the emergency service 112 Andalusia has received hundreds of reports, mostly related to major road flooding, inundated low-lying areas, fallen trees, and traffic disruptions that forced several routes to be completely closed. In Huelva, towns such as Nerva, Minas de Riotinto, and several coastal areas recorded the most significant impacts. In Nerva, an overflowing stream flooded parts of the town, forcing firefighters and local police to work through the night to ensure no residents were trapped. Meanwhile, in Minas de Riotinto, water rushing down from high ground submerged the main road, making it difficult for vehicles to pass. The extremely intense rainfall has raised concerns of possible flash floods. Spain's meteorological agency, AEMET, issued an orange warning for parts of Huelva, particularly coastal zones and the Andalusia region. The agency warned of extreme rainfall that could reach up to 30 liters per square meter within a single hour, an amount capable of triggering sudden and dangerous flooding, especially in areas near rivers, valleys, and low-lying terrain. Strong winds brought by Storm Claudia have also caused numerous trees to fall, damaging vehicles and disrupting power lines. In several rural communities, residents faced limited mobility as roads were blocked by floodwaters and small landslides. Emergency teams have been deployed to install barricades and warning signs to prevent accidents at the most hazardous locations.
Quédense en sus casas y aléjense de la zona centro, por favor. Acaba de saltar el barranco de Santa María en Nerva.
The Andalusian government has urged the public to avoid unnecessary travel, especially at night when visibility is reduced and many stretches of road remain flooded. Emergency services also advised residents not to cross what may appear to be shallow water, as fast-moving currents can be deceptively dangerous. People living near rivers were asked to stay alert and be ready to evacuate if instructed. Although Storm Claudia is expected to gradually weaken, its impact is still being felt across much of Spain. Reports indicate that a total of 19 provinces remain under weather alerts for heavy rain, storms, strong winds, and high waves. In Andalusia, Huelva is among the hardest hit areas, followed by Sevilla and Cádiz. Field teams have been working around the clock to respond to more than 600 incidents recorded since the storm arrived. While no fatalities have been reported in Huelva so far, the situation remains serious. Authorities continue to monitor rivers, small dams, and coastal zones that could be affected by storm surge due to the combination of heavy rainfall and low atmospheric pressure. Quick emergency response, supported by early warnings issued to the public, has been crucial in reducing the potential impact of the storm. Storm Claudia serves as a reminder that extreme weather events are becoming more frequent in southern Europe. The Andalusian regional government has emphasized its commitment to strengthening disaster mitigation systems, especially in flood-prone areas. Meanwhile, residents of Huelva hope the situation will gradually improve and daily life can return to normal after 2 days filled with uncertainty.